Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
Good afternoon, wonderful people of Biafra. This very afternoon, I want to share this with you on Friday, the 12th of April 2024. So many people are asking a lot of questions, like Biafra can never exist. Can Biafra ever exist? In other words, they're asking, can Biafra be free from Nigeria? And these are the questions a lot of people have been asking, even within the Biafrans. And because of this question, so many people decided to soil their hands and to understand. Those who are feeling very comfortable in Nigeria will tell you, leave Nigeria, let us manage Nigeria like that. Those who are not all that feeling comfortable in Nigeria will tell you, anyhow I see you, I take it. But those who were sent to restore the kingdom of God on earth will tell you that we need nothing except Biafra. No matter what we have, no matter who we are, no matter what thing we get, it can never be compared to Biafra to us. Do you understand the difference between us and you? A politician thinks that he has his family, he has money, he can go to anywhere with his children. But my question is, after you have been travel with your children to everywhere you like, what about your home? What happened to your home? You know, people say, no place is like home. No matter how good somebody's child is to you, no matter how good somebody's child is to you, it can never be compared to like your own child. No matter how you travel, why? It can never be like your own. And when we say we need nothing than Biafra, we mean what we say, and it is Biafra we need. And so therefore, I will ask you to tight your seatbelt very tight. We are in a very light speech. Man, speak to get this Biafra. For those of you who have been asking a lot of questions, when will this Biafra come? When will this Biafra come? When will this Biafra come? I want you to change this your question to, am I really prepared to welcome Biafra? Because any moment from now, believe you me, any moment from now, the shout of victory, the sound of victory will be sound. But the question I ask you is, how prepared are you to welcome this Biafra? The devil are fighting. Their energy is off. Their strength has finished. All the demons, their strengths are finished. The darkness is disappearing. And the light is coming up gradually. And nobody can stop this light from shining. Nobody. No man born of a woman. No spirit. No man. Nobody. Not even you. Can stop this light from shining. The sun must shine. And Biafra has gone beyond that stage of returning back. The enemy knew this. Britain knew this. Even Nigeria knew this. If you check them in their secret chamber, they are crying bitterly. But just as when you cut the snake head, the body still have to struggle as if it is alive. And those that saw the body struggle would think that the snake is still alive. But they have long dead. Nigeria is long gone. Nobody can revive Nigeria. Nobody. Nobody can revive Nigeria. What is written is RIP Nigeria. RIP Nigeria. If you know, you know. And if you think we are joking, you know, we are just like the rain that starts with breeze. And when you look up, the sky is already darkened. And only breeze keep blowing. And your mind will keep telling you it will not fall. The breeze will take the rain out. And before you know, it will start drizzling. And your mind will still tell you, it will stop, it will stop. Before you know, it start raining heavily. And before you know, everything is soaked. And before you know, a very big erosion has started. Before you know, the mighty building that you can never imagine, if the erosion can pull it down, begin to pull down. Before you know, the vehicle and so many things on the street are beginning to drove away to the river. Gradually, gradually. That is what Biafra is. Some of you might not believe it. Some of you are still doubting it. But your doubt cannot stop it. Your unbelieving cannot stop it. Biafra is here to stay. Let me tell you, no matter how strong you are, when it comes to the issues of Biafra, you must bend. You must bend. Biafra is greater than you. And as I always tell you, that what is greater than you is capable of killing you. Yes. Yes. And when we tell you that we have come to do the needful, you keep asking, let's put on and build Nigeria. I'm asking you, since 1960, what have you built? And as I told you in some previous brokers, that Nigeria is the only African country that keep moving backwards. It's the only country that when the price of something rise, it can never come down. You know what we call static. Then defy the law of gravity. The price of things in Nigeria defy the law of gravity. Nigeria can never grow forward. Rather, they can only grow backward. Whereby the last year is better than the coming year. The year you are into now will be better than 2025 if Nigeria will last reach then. 2023 was far better than 2024. 2024 will be better than 2025. That people will be wishing to go back to 2024. It's only in Nigeria. And every junk and idiot will come up and tell you, why are you fighting for Biafra? What do you want? Let's leave Biafra and fight for better Nigeria. Nigeria is being destroyed and condemned. It can never be redeemed. Nothing you can do to redeem Nigeria. Nigeria is gone and buried. It is written all over it, rest in peace. If you can go to the graveyard and resurrect the dead that were buried, then you can resurrect Nigeria. But if you cannot do that, get out. Get lost. Nothing you can do to revive Nigeria. Is dead and buried. Do you understand me? What we are looking for is Biafra. What we are asking for is Biafra. what we are fighting for is Biafra. What 500 million people die for was Biafra. What make hope bring Bogo around to Imo State to kidnap our young girl and our young boy, our mama, our father is Biafra. What make Soludo keep killing Anambra people is Biafra. What killed our people in Abia State is Biafra. And therefore, we need nothing than Biafra. What keep our leader in prison today is Biafra. What killed his papa, Nnamdi Kanu fathers and mother is Biafra. What killed about 40-something people in his house, including Jack, his dog, was Biafra. And what make you think we will abandon that cause in pursuit of any other thing? Then you must be joking. You must be joking. Your brain is not good. Your brain is sick. Anybody that is thinking or imagining that there will come a time that these great forces that were sent to rescue the black race who abandon the cause of Biafra restoration must be sick in the brain. I'm telling you the gospel truth. You know us, when we are telling you the truth, we don't care if you like it or not. It doesn't even concern us if you want that truth or not, but we must tell you that which is truth. Let it pinch your ear. You know if it stop us. Do you understand? But the fact and the truth is that you see this struggle is coming to an end. Now ask them. Those of you who your husband is army, those of you who your husband is police, those of you who your husband are Ibubako, why have you not been asking question? Ask Nigeria military question. Ask Nigeria government question. Where is your husband? Many of you, your husband is gone. Oh, because he came to fight a wrong fight. He came to kill the children of light. And the land of Biafra swallow him. And the land of Biafra will keep swallowing all of you until Biafra is fully restored. I'm telling you the gospel truth. And if you think we are alone, you are joking. If you think that we are alone, you are joking. We are legion, as I told you. The spirit of our ancestors is with us. The spirit of our creator is with us. The spirit of our land is with us. And so therefore we are not alone. And this fight of redemption, we will win you as we are winning you. And we will fight till the end. You can't stop us. You can't stop us. I'm telling you the gospel truth. You can't stop us. And that is a message for today. Share it. Spread the news. To those who have lost hope. To those who doesn't believe in it. To those who think that it is impossible. Biafra is here already. Tell them that the enemies of Biafra are already lost the battle. Tell them that the enemies of Biafra are now begging for mercy. They pretend not to know what we are asking for. Well, good. I hear somebody over the news asking, why didn't federal government go in peace and ask these people what they really want? And then I keep asking myself question. Are the journalists so stupid? Do we not define what we want to the war? It's a very stupid thing to keep asking your child a question when he have already tell you what he wants. Daddy, I want 500 naira. And you look at that child and ask the child again, son, what do you want? Say, Daddy, give me I want 500. Son, what do you want? Are you not stupid? We want Biafra. And each time you want to talk nonsense, you will come and say, why can't federal government ask them what, go into agreement with them, what they want, and then try to sort it? We want Biafra. We tell them one thing. Let me remind you, in case you have forgotten. Before you started this war, I told you, you will not win. Don't start what you cannot finish. It was simple. Release Nnamdi Kanu and all the prisoners, Biafra activists in your custody. Release all of them. Go into a round table with Nnamdi Kanu and fix the day for referendum. When you fix the day for referendum, everybody vote. And if the majority vote to remain in Nigeria, so be it, we remain in Nigeria. But if the majority that vote to have Biafra as a sovereignty, then you let us go in peace and become our good neighbor. But you say no. That is over your dead body, will that happen? And we say it's safe for that. With your dead body, it will happen. Biafra must be free. Now wait until Biafra has been declared again. You will understand that this time around it's going to fight. We will fight dirty. I'm telling you the gospel truth. December is just 6 months. Did I say 6 months? 8 months away from now. I believe you are also preparing. Those of you who are crying hardship, as our great leader have told you before, that you should look for a so visa, waiting be this, Somalia visa to relocate. That Nigeria will be the worst place compared to that very country. I hope you have gotten your visa ready. Because even Ghana will reject you. Those of, mark my words, Ghana will reject you. Cotonou will reject you. Côte d'Ivoire will reject you. Of course, you cannot go to Cameroon because Cameroon is already facing the same heat. You choose the war, violent than the peace way. Because you are a criminal. Because of the selfish interest, your selfish interest. Because of what you are gaining in Biafra land. Because of Britain, the criminal, the masterminded criminal in the war. Who doesn't want to let go of Africa resources? Been winding your brain and you have been taken to eat. But this time around, you understand that one day is for the honor of the land. No matter how many times the thief keep thieving, you will get to understand better. So therefore, Biafra must be restored. Any way you want. As I told you that the end point is the restoration of Biafra. The end point is restoration of Biafra. And you can't stop us. You want it in peace, through referendum, Biafra will come. You want it in the war, through fighting, Biafra will come. So any way you choose, it is Biafra or Biafra. Yes, any way you choose, anyhow you choose, any way you want, anyhow you want it, it is Biafra or Biafra. Yes. So therefore, let's see how he's going to play. But at the end, you will be there to say and shout, "All hail Biafra." Because Biafra can never be buried. Biafra can never be stopped. Biafra, nobody can kill it. So therefore, share the message and give hope to those who have already lost hope. Tell them that nobody can stop us. We are unstoppable. We can never retrieve we can never surrender until Biafra is restored. Remember when I tell you that it does not really matter how many the enemy are. I've told you that if they come in million, they will fall in million. If they come in 1,000, they will fall in 1,000. If they come in 100, they will fall in 100. If they come in 50, they will fall in 50. I've told you that, and so shall it be. So therefore, fear not, because the children of light have come, that the light may shine, not just in Biafra land, in the whole of black race. In the whole of black race, we are here to restore the glory of Africa back. So if you think it is only Biafrans, this star couldn't have big like this. The Creator have sent us that we might set the black race free. So therefore, the liberation starts from Biafra land, because it is them that own the light that will overshadow the darkness in the whole of Africa. And that is why you see us fighting the caliphate in Nigeria. And believe you me, the victory is ours. And the victory will remain ours forever and ever. In Eke, in Ore, in Afo, and in Nkwo.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.